To mention or tag a YouTube channel to any of your videos, what you do is to open your YouTube app. So maybe you want to mention someone in a video because you have collaborated with that very channel, or maybe you want to promote the channel. So what to do after opening your YouTube app is to head on to the bottom right hand corner, tap on your channel picture, and you're going to head on to tap on your videos. So here you see the list of videos you have posted on your channel before now. Then you locate the video you want to mention that particular channel to. So let's say I want to mention a channel in this very video. So I will tap on the 3 vertical dots at the right hand side of this very video, and you see the option edit. Tap on it. Then you're going to see the description section. This is where you have described the video. So you head on to tap on the description, and you come to the very part you want to mention that channel. So let's say I want to mention the channel at the end of the description. So I'll simply get the tag icon, which is the @ sign, and then head on to start typing the channel name. So let's say I want to tag this channel Guide Realm. So I'll simply tap on it, and then I would go back again and then tap on save. So let's see if it has come up. I'll tap on the video, and when it opens up, I'll tap on the title of the video again. All right, so can you see this channel has been mentioned in this very video? So by doing this, I've successfully mentioned this channel in the video. Maybe we have collaborated, or I just want to promote the channel. So I've successfully mentioned them in my video. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.